In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off vibration on an Android phone. Today I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Just make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. To do that, swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On settings, we can easily find sounds and vibration, and if we get into it, we'll be able to turn off or configure vibration on our Android device. And here we can easily turn off vibration if we scroll down a bit. That's where we can easily find call vibration, notification vibration, and the system vibration. We can get into any of these settings, and that's where we can change call vibration intensity. If you would like to completely turn off vibration for calls, just drag it to 0, just like that. Also in here we are able to select a vibration pattern. We can easily set new pattern simply by selecting it. The same about notification vibration and system vibration. On system vibration, we, by the way, can configure system vibration for different events such as charging or camera feedback. However, all the intensity settings we can easily find in that system menu. If we get into vibration intensity, we can easily control the vibration for calls, notifications, system, and media. If you would like to turn off the vibration for all that settings, you can just drag all the sliders to the left. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.